Let's add content to our About page. Click Pages in the left-hand menu. Hover over the About page and click Edit. To preview the page with the header and footer, toggle open the right-hand sidebar. Click on Template and select Show Template. Close the sidebar and open the list view. There's an unwanted paragraph block in the header. Click the header, select Edit. Delete the paragraph. And hit Save. Click back to return to your page. Click the plus button between the header and footer, then select Maxi Template Library. Select Pages, find the About page you want, and click Insert. Our homepage is dark, so let's match the About page colors. Toggle open the right sidebar, select the container, and switch from light to dark. Repeat for the other containers. Remove the unnecessary footer. Click the blue Save button. Now, preview the new page. Looks good, but the title is too close to the top. Let's adjust it. Select the container, and in the right-hand sidebar, adjust the margin and padding to 100 pixels. Hit Save again. Preview it. Looks great. Thanks for watching.